Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rose. Today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this hairstyle. This is cornrow going back with my Microlocs. I saw this inspo picture on, I think, Pinterest, and I loved it, and I was just like, I have to try it. And y'all know I have a baby, so he be pulling and tugging on my hair. So I was like, I need something back, I need something minimal, I need something that I don't need to think about throughout the day. So I saw this and I thought it would be perfect. So I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this hairstyle with my Microlocs. Before we get started, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we're not gonna do too much talking. Let's get into the video. Hey you guys, so this is my hair right now. This is the front. Y'all, my forehead is big, and I just want to say, if you are a big forehead girly, they want you at the end, okay? They're making fun of you now, but guess what? They chasing after you, okay? Okay? They chasing after you, okay? So don't ever be ashamed of your big forehead. Love it. Give it a kiss. Yeah, so this is my hair. This is the front. Y'all, my hair has grown so much. I think I'm past the collarbone. And this is my collarbone right here. Yeah, and like I don't have a retie, so technically, like I'm pulling it down. Y'all about to never see me again. Okay, and this is the back. I know I'm wearing a black shirt, so it kind of don't seem like it, but this is the back. Yeah, you see that? You see that? Yeah. Important question. Was my hair done in the beginning of the video? Was my hair done? Huh? Okay, because that's gonna tell you how this video went. Well, first things first, I have my edge control. This is my edge control in my brow. What's it called? My brow gel. So I use it for both. I should actually do my brows while I'm doing this, but it's late at night. It's actually like 2 o'clock in the morning. I have church tomorrow, so I'm trying to do this so that I can go to church. And also, like, for the rest of the week, I just want my hair out of my face. Okay, so we have edge control. I bought this pack of hair at Amazon or on Amazon. I'm gonna link it in the description box below for you guys. But it comes with like 8 packs, and I'm not gonna lie though, the packs are not like beauty supply packs. They're kind of small. I used a little bit of this already. I'm gonna show you guys the other hairstyle that I did, which is so funny because that hairstyle was like me, you know, getting it from an inspo, and I wanted to show you guys, but I wasn't sure how I was gonna tell. So from moving forward, I think I'm gonna share my hairstyle on here and share how to do it just in case it comes out good. Like, this is the hair. I also have some of this hair. This is the Premium 2X bulk, and I have the color 27 and I have the color 4 that I think I'm gonna put throughout the hair. I'm not sure. I have a couple of rubber bands so that I can section my hair, and I have my edge brush, which is pretty much all that you're gonna need for this hairstyle. And yeah, let's get into it. The first braid that I did was 2 braids in the back because I didn't want too much tension on my hair, so I decided to braid the bottom row of the back of my hair, like the napes of my hair. If I did cornrow all the way down, I feel like it was gonna cause tension, so I just did 2 braids, and I would say these are like knotless braids. I started off with my locks, and then I gradually added the hair onto it and to the length that I want it to be and the thickness that I want it to be. I'm definitely definitely not the best braider because these didn't look as neat as I wanted them to be. But honestly, since it was the back, I didn't care. And I was not about to start over. So the show just had to go on, okay? I started off by separating the fake hair before I added it onto the braid, which made me put about 6 to 7 pieces, but eventually I stopped separating it and I was putting only like 3, maybe 4 pieces onto each braid.
He will give you everything. Come and take your everything going.
And this is what the 2 braids look like in the back. Now it's time for the cornrows. For each cornrow, I did about 2 sections of hair, so 2 rows of hair. And I started off with a twist instead of the braids because I feel like when you start off with braids, it's gonna cause a little bit more tension than if you were to start off with a twist. And then midway to the cornrow, I did start braiding, and then at the end of the cornrow I added more hair just so I could get a little bit more thickness. I added about like 3 to 4 pieces of hair, and then you're gonna see me add the boho. I can't really explain how I added the boho, you're just gonna have to see it, but if you look up techniques on how to add the boho onto your braids, I'm sure you'll find it. But as for the boho, I added about 3, maybe 4 pieces of the boho hair.
But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk a dog.
Okay, yeah, my battery is dying. That's why I'm done now, but this is the right side. This is the back. This is how it looks so far. I like it a lot. The little designs that I try to do. So over here, I want to do like this, and I want to do something on the side. So we'll see what my mind comes up with. Like I said, my camera's about to die, so when I get to it and my camera's good, I'm gonna show you guys. But this is what I got so far, and we're gonna move on to this side of my head.
Down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty end up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher.
Okay, you guys, so I did this part, which is the design I was telling you about. I only have one last one left. This is how it's looking so far. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. So to the ends, y'all see I did braid them, which I don't know if that's a good idea or a bad idea, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and flexi rod them. I might braid them all the way and then flexi rod them, because I feel like with this texture, yeah, it might look better, more neat braided than flex it, but did not braid it. So I think I'm gonna try both. I'm gonna try braid it and then flexi rod, or like this, and see how it looks. But I'm gonna finish this one that I have left. I think I used 3 so far.
What would happen if you pause on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I love some music, but
Alright, y'all. So I was looking at this, and I feel like it would look better if I braided it and then we curled it. I just don't want it to look like super messy because since the hair is already like kinky. And you know, so I'm just gonna braid all of them down and boil them and come back to you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid it.
oh yeah, yeah. Have you ever wondered what would happen?
Okay guys, so here are the final touches for this hairstyle. I haven't boiled them yet, but I'll show you guys what it looks like after. So I oil my scalp. This is just a light oil that I've used before. And then I oil it with some castor oil because I just knew I wasn't going to keep this hairstyle for long. I probably left it in for about a week. So I wanted to make sure my scalp was good. And then I just tidied up a little bit by cutting off the locks that was hanging off. Now I wanted to add some pieces to it, but it was ugly, so I just took them off. But that's it for the final touches, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I love some music, but I just can't do it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side, and it's okay for you.
Alright y'all, so thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope y'all could come back for more hairstyles because I am on this micro log journey and I would love to share the protective hairstyles with you guys. So make sure you subscribe, you like this video, and leave a comment if you are a log girly yourself. This is what the hairstyle turned out. I wrapped it and moussed it so it could have like a neater look, and this is what I came up with. Thank you guys again for watching. I really appreciate it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you when the sun rises. Bye.